Hello, I'm Todd Gunther and I'm an investigator with the National Transportation Safety Board. I'd like to talk with you about something we may not often think about, the condition of our aircraft's fuel selectors. At the NTSB, we've recently investigated several accidents in which worn fuel selectors led to fuel starvation and a loss of engine power. 2 of those accidents resulted in fatalities. We've seen some commonalities in these accidents. Specifically, worn detents can make it difficult for a pilot to properly position the fuel selector to the desired tank. The pilot may think they selected a tank, but in fact, the fuel selector is positioned mid-range, between the tanks or even on an empty tank, cutting off fuel flow. Also, as fuel selectors wear, the handles may become difficult or impossible to move. If a pilot applies too much force, the internal components can fracture and obstruct fuel flow. So what can you do? Well, when you do your pre-flight inspection, be sure to check the fuel selectors for proper operation. Ensure the fuel selector moves freely and stays in the correct detent, and that fuel selector placards are accurate and legible. Do not force a fuel selector handle that is difficult to turn, and do not fly an airplane if the fuel selector is binding or sticking. A mechanic should check the condition of the fuel selector during an annual or 100-hour inspection, but that may only happen once per year. You could be flying an airplane that has had no maintenance check of the fuel selector in 11 months. If you're an airplane owner, tell your mechanic if something seems wrong to you. If you're a renter, let the fixed base operator know. Thank you for your time and have a safe flight.